everyone, I'm Shamla. Welcome to Python tutorial. In this tutorial we will discuss about superclass. In the last tutorial we have created the single class. Now we will see how to inherit the class, how to create more than one class, and how one class is related to other class. Go to file, click on new window. I'm taking a simple example. I'm creating a class, one class. This is first class which I'm defining. This class name is dad. I'm giving the name as dad. And in this class I'm taking two variable eyes. Okay, my dad eyes color is black. Okay, I'm taking one more variable hair. My dad hair color is brown. Okay, I have created a one class. I'm coming out of the class. I'm creating one more class. Class child. Okay, this is me, child. See, this is a class. This is one class. I'm creating one more class, child, because see, what color my dad eyes are black. Even I am also having a black color. See, somewhere other I am inheriting the property of my dad. So if you want to do the same thing in Python, in order to say that, see, I'm belongs to my dad. In order to say that, how to indicate that, you can mention it as dad. So if you are writing the class name here, it indicates that this class, this child class, somewhere related to the dad, it also inherits the properties of the dad class. So this is what it is. And I don't want to write anything pass, in the sense I can write, if you are, instead of leaving it a blank, you can write it as pass. Come out of the class. I'm creating one object d1 for the dad class, and so I'm calling it as I'm calling the function, not the function exactly, I'm calling the variable with the object name d1. As I said, we cannot access the class element directly. We need to create an object. Through the object we can access the element d1 dot ice. Okay, and I'm creating one more object, c1, which belongs to the class child. I want to print the ice color here. I was at c1 dot ice. You guys might having a doubt, like inside the child there is no variable called ice. Then also how c1 dot print c1 dot I is going to execute. This will execute. Why? Because here I have written class child inside the bracket dad. It means it is inheriting the property of dad. So c1, when the compiler execute this program, let's go ahead and execute it. It is easy to explain by seeing the output. I'm going to give the name as class 5.py. Save this, run this program. Okay, black. Okay, compiler comes here, it says okay, one class is created. Perfectly fine with this. And again it will come here, it will see one class is created, which is inheriting the properties of dad. Okay, it will come here, it says one object is created. Okay, dad we cannot access directly, so we are creating one object. Through that object we are accessing. Fine, it comes here d1 dot ice. d1, so d1 something belongs to class dad, so it will go to dad. d1 dot ice. Okay, inside that ice says black, so it is printing black. Okay, we are creating one object called c1 that belongs to child. c1 dot ice, it will go to the class child, because c1 belongs to the class child. It will go to the child class. It will search for ice. There is no ice. inside the child, but it says that it's something which is related to dad, so it will go to the class dad. It will search for eyes. Okay, eyes is here. The value of eyes is black, so it is going to print black. This is the output. How about override? For example, what if instead of pass, instead of leaving this black, we are having value eyes. We are giving I'm not having the same color as my dad. I'm having my eyes color as brown. Okay, here what happens, uh, dad also using the same variable eyes and the child also using the same. What happens here, it is going to overwrite. This is one of the important property of the classes, superclasses, subclasses, whatever you say. Run the module, see the output. Previously we got black as an output, but we are getting black brown. See, compiler comes here, it sees here, see D1 dat, so D1 it goes here, it's going to print black as I explained previously. C1 child, C1 eyes, C1 eyes, it compiler goes to the child. C1 eyes, it search for eyes inside the child. So eyes is available here. When it is available in my class itself, why should I go to the parent class and search for eyes? Yes, eyes is available in my class, so it will go to that class, and it is going to print the output as brown. So it is as simple as that. This is about class, how we can override the value. We have created the parent class, and also we have created the child class, and we also inherited the properties. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.